Kunye n'ibu dike, papa kunye n'ibu dike, kunye n'ibu dike, ihe eji amara dike eruo. Ka m kpọtụrụ eze n'igwe, ka m kpọtụrụ ọka ome onye ọma. Okuku Calabash 2233 Dark All Night. Special Igbo Okuku, all Igbos, Igbo nation, Igbo land, all Igbos, Igbos in Igbo land, and Igbos in diaspora. Special Okuku for them. All my prayers and all my Okuku and all the energies, good energies, come together to answer Igbo's Okuku. You shall do all things. All good, bring in good and banish negativities, and continue to promote and skyrocket all the Igbos and Igbos in the Igbo land, and Igbos in diaspora. You shall cleanse, you shall wipe out all sins, cover pit, pull up arrows, cancel diseases, continue to move us forward, and improve and promote our science and technologies. Skyrocket on all land, ocean, all airspace, sun, moon, all universe, all planets, stars, galaxies, cosmos, solar system, infinity, orbit, and to all Igbos in all Igbo's land, Igbo states, and to all Igbos wherever they are, into our family generations, ancestries. We use water, boiled eggs, cola nuts, fruits, all drinks, wine, beer, to welcome them into our body system. Rise, get up, move forward. Igbos, forward, forward, forward. Omemma, 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 banu yo, omemma, 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 banu yo, omemma. Thank you very much from Los Angeles, California, USA.